Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display comparison between the Redmi Note 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So if you're watching first time this video, friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of both the smartphones. You can find plenty of videos on both the devices, friends. So right now I'm playing the same video in both the devices, as you can see here clearly. So the Samsung Galaxy M31 has the AMOLED panel, and whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro has only the IPS LCD panel, friends. So that is a difference in terms of the panels technologies both the phones are using. But overall, if you're AMOLED fan, then definitely, friends, the Samsung Galaxy M31 will look much more saturated and higher contrast levels when you compare with the Redmi Note 8 Pro device. But still, even the Redmi Note 8 Pro is pretty good, but it's not that good as M31. I can see clearly. If you see the video personally, you can notice the difference between both the phones. So right now I'm using with the full brightness, friends, as you can check here. So what I will do right now, I'll decrease the brightness to 10% in both the phones, and let's see which phone will be brighter. So at 10% I cannot see much difference, and now let me decrease to 5% in both the phones, and let's see which phone will have more brightness. So right now I can notice, friends, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got slightly higher brightness levels when you compare with the M31. That is a slightly amount, not much. Let me decrease to 0 and check which has lower brightness levels. As you can see, friends, the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got clearly low brightness mode. So when you compare with the M31, so that means during the night times when you travel, you can watch very peacefully the videos in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, like without even disturbing any other side passengers. So the Galaxy M31 has got slightly higher brightness levels, as you can see, friends. Even in the low brightness, still the video is pretty clearly visible, whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro, this is not the case. So it can go very lower brightness levels. So in terms of the brightness level, depend upon the user. So if you're a traveling person, then definitely, friends, if you're liking the low brightness modes, then the Redmi Note 8 Pro is the best option. But trust me, friends, the Samsung Galaxy M31 has got a very huge battery, 6000 mAh of battery. So if you're watching the even movies, you can watch continuously more than 20 hours in the M31 without even losing a complete battery, friends. If you're watching continuously for one day, 24 hours, even I tested that. So definitely, friends, in the future I'll be doing in-depth battery review as well in terms of the battery draining of M31, so which has a huge battery, 6000 mAh of battery, but still it maintains its weight pretty close to other smartphones. So that's it for this video, friends. This is a video to demonstrate to compare the AMOLED panel versus the IPS LCD panel. And clearly the AMOLED panel adds much more saturated colors and contrast levels when you compare with the normal IPS LCD panel. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends. See you in the next video. Bye.